Despite having more computing power than any generation in history, between physical chores and digital administration, the human workload keeps stacking up. Most current technology relies on a passive model. It sits idle, requiring human energy and specific commands to perform even basic functions. By 2026, that entire passive relationship shifts. Technology is becoming a proactive assistant, executing tasks and anticipating needs without waiting for a prompt. We track this shift using the proximity scale, a framework showing how technologies close the physical distance to the human body. The scale starts in macro environments, moves to digital desk proxies, touches the skin, and finally reaches internal integration. Tracking this inward journey explains how specific physical and cognitive burdens are systematically transferred to machines. The furthest point on the scale is the macro environment, industrial zones where heavy physical labor is a baseline requirement. Humanoid robots are now entering these spaces to handle the most taxing physical work, such as moving heavy industrial crates. These machines navigate cluttered floors, maintain balance while lifting, and repeat warehouse cycles indefinitely without fatigue. Assigning this hazardous, macro-level work to robots shields the human body from the long-term injuries associated with manual labor. Moving inward, we reach the immediate workspace, the digital environment where we manage our daily lives. This is the domain of AI agents, a significant evolution from basic chatbots. These agents operate autonomously to plan travel itineraries, organize complex email threads, and write software code without needing step-by-step human guidance. Generative AI supports this by instantly producing high-quality text, audio, and video from simple descriptions. Much of this work is moving to on-device AI. As this diagram shows, the calculations occur entirely inside the device rather than relying on a distant cloud server. Local processing ensures that functions like live translation or photo editing remain private, work without an internet connection, and happen with zero lag. Delegating these logistical tasks to a personal device reduces the cognitive drain of managing a digital life. The scale now reaches the surface of the skin, where technology maintains direct, continuous contact with the body. AI-driven smartwatches and rings function as continuous medical diagnostic tools. These devices monitor blood oxygen, stress levels, and heart health, often identifying signs of illness before a person feels any physical symptoms. At the eye level, augmented reality glasses serve as hands-free informational co-pilots. They project navigation cues and live translations directly into the field of vision, allowing users to move through the world without looking down at a phone. This layer of wearable tech creates a safety net that manages biological health and physical navigation in the background. The final step on the scale crosses the physical threshold, moving from the skin to the internal neurology of the brain. The brain-computer interface, or BCI, represents the most integrated form of technological assistance. BCI systems translate neurological signals into digital actions, allowing a person to control a computer cursor through thought alone. For individuals with severe paralysis, this technology restores the ability to communicate and interact with the digital world independently. By reaching the brain, technology removes the final physical gap between a person's intent and their ability to act. The 2026 technological landscape covers the entire proximity spectrum, from heavy-lifting robots to internal brain interfaces. This ecosystem provides a network of proactive partners that manage labor at every distance from the body. Looking at this scale, which level of assistance do you think would have the biggest impact on your daily routine? Let us know in the comments. The goal of this shift is the practical delegation of human strain, handing off heavy labor, digital logistics, and health monitoring to an automated system.